Now we are going to start our third unit, sources of information. We have learned about information and communication. So in our previous lesson we was learn about information and communication. What is meant by information? Information means something facts told to someone. That means if I am telling you something, that means I am giving you some information. It can be the form of news, messages, stories, or a simple conversation. From information, we get to know more about people, places, and animals, and different things. So information means what? Information means something told to someone. Now what? Then next is communication. What is meant by communication? When you give or receive information, it is known as communication. That means when you are talking to your parents, you are talking to with your friends, your teachers, that means you are communicating, you are exchanging some information, you are giving some information also, and you are receiving some information also. It is known as communication. Then what is the spelling of information? INFORMATION, information. And communication, COMMUNICATION, communication. So now we learn what is meant by information, and we already learned what is meant by information and communication. Now we were also introduced the basic sources of information. So just let's quickly list the sources of information. Now see sources of information. Then people conversation, then people teaching, books. From books we get information also. So books is also source of information. Then from newspaper and magazines we get information. From TV also we get information about corona. From newspapers also we can get information about coronavirus. So this is the information, sources of information. Then radio. From radio also we get some information. Then computer. And last is mobile phones. These all are the sources of information. People conversation. That means when your parents you are talking to your parents, that time they are giving you some information. That means they are also giving you some information. Then people, suppose your parents teach you, your parents are taking your study, that time they are teaching you something. That means they are giving you some information. From books also we get information. Newspapers and magazines also we get information. Then television means TV, radio, computer, mobile phones. These all are the sources of information. Now first is newspaper and magazines. See, newspaper and magazines. There are different types of newspapers and magazines available in the market. Now we know there are different types of newspaper and magazines are available in the market. There are Hindi newspaper, Marathi newspaper, English newspaper. Different names are also given to the newspaper. Times of India, Lokmat, then Sakal, Saromat. There are different types of newspaper and magazines available in the market. Now newspaper are the most common tool for sharing news and information. Newspapers contain all the latest information about the country and the world. They also have few pictures, puzzles, and advertisements. So from newspaper we get some information. Newspapers are most of the common tool for sharing news and information. Newspapers also contain all the latest information about the country, about our country also. In newspaper we get information about country and world. In newspaper we you saw some pictures, some puzzles is also there, and some advertisement is also there in newspaper. Now magazines are books with lots of picture and text. In magazines you can see lots of pictures and text. Magazines tools gives latest information about the country and the world. Magazines also gives latest information about the country and the world. Different magazines are available in the market that provide us with different types of information. So in market there are different types of magazines available. So these magazines provide a different type of information. There are fashion magazine, computer magazines, world life magazines, business magazines, travel magazines, and many more. So there are fashion magazines, computer magazines, and wildlife magazines, business magazines are available in the market. So from this market we can get the different type of information. Suppose you have to learn the information about computer, so if you will see the computer magazines, so you can get the information about computer from computer magazines. Suppose you have to get information about fashion, so you can see the fashion magazines. From these magazines you can get the information about fashion. So in newspaper and in magazines we can get the information. There are different types of newspaper and there are different types of magazines available in the market. So newspaper and magazines contain latest information about the country and world. Now next information tool is television. Repeat after me. Television. Television means what? TV. Television is the most common source of information. Why television is the source of information? Because we can get information from TV. That's why television is the source of information. We can learn nursery rhyme, numbers, different languages, etc. using the different educational programs available on TV. We get information about the current happening from the news channels. We learn about sports from the sports channels. We can also learn a lot from channels like Discovery, Animal Planet, National Geography, and so on. So from TV we can get information about the current happening from the news channel. There are different channels are available on TV: educational channel, news channels, cartoon channels, music channels, then movies channels, serial channels. So from TV we can get more information. So if you want to get information about the animals, so you can see Discovery channels, Animal Planet, National Geography, these type of channels. So if you want to see if you want to see cricket, football, volleyball matches, so you can see the sport channels. So we learn about the sport from sport channels. We can get information about the sport from sport channels. We can get information about the animal by animal from Discovery, Animal Planet, this type of channels. And if you want to see news, you can get the information from news channels. there are different news channels are available. So TV, from TV we can get information. See, sport on TV, from sport channels we can get information about sport, and from Discovery channels we can get information about animals. Now next source of information is mobile phone. You all know mobile phone, mobile, mobile, phone, phone, mobile phone. See, this is a mobile phone. Now we can share information by sending messages from the mobile phone. From mobile phone also we can share information by sending messages. You are sending WhatsApp messages. I am sending you some videos. I am teaching you this lesson. That means I am giving you some information. This video I am sending in your WhatsApp. That means I am sharing information by sending a message from the mobile phone. Then why we use mobile phone? We can also talk to others to share information. We can also talk to others. Suppose you want to talk to your friend, your teachers, so we can call also, we can talk also, and we to share information. We can also share pictures, music and videos with others using the mobile phone. By using mobile phone we can share information, we can share picture, you can share your picture, you can share your video, you can share music to your friend, to your family members by using mobile phone. Nowadays you find educational application on smart mobile phone. Nowadays you can find. So by using mobile phone you can you can make a calls, you can talk, and you can share information. You can find sport, you can find all sports of educational applications, from rhymes to language learning and mathematics to science. So on these educational channels you can, on this educational application, if you install in your mobile, you can learn rhymes also, you can learn language also, and you can learn mathematics to science also. So mobile phone is also source of information. And now last is mobile phone is also used to watching a video, to talking on mobile phone. You can watch video on your mobile phone and you can learn many things, you can learn educational things from your mobile phone. Now next source of information is computer. Today the computer is the best way to share information. You can use the computer to play educational CDs, to watch videos, to read stories, to play educational games. So computer is used to play educational CDs. You can watch videos, you can read story, and you can play educational games. That means you can learn also, and you can enjoy it also. If you want to play educational games, from this game you can learn. If you are playing mathematical games, so from this game your math will be perfect and you can enjoy it also. So today the computer is the best way to share information. From computer you can get information also. With the help of internet you can get information about anything in a minute, couple of seconds. With the help of internet you can get the information very fastly. So what is mean by source of information? That sources means what? Those device or those tools, from that tools we are getting information. So first people from peoples also we are getting information. So People's conversation is also source of information. Then people teaching, that means your parents teaching, your teacher teach you, that means they are giving you some information. So that's why these people teaching, people conversation, these all the source of information. From books also you get information, from newspaper and magazines also you get information, from television also you get information, from radio also you get information, from computer also you get information, and from mobiles also. So these all are the source of information. From these you get information, that's why these all are the sources of information. Now your homework is you have to learn these all spelling. You have to learn this all spelling. This is your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.